Hey there, amazing viewers. Welcome back to LarryB. So today we are going to be unboxing some sewing items I got from Temu, and I'm going to be showing you how to drape and paint on fabrics using these items. So let's get right into the video.
I'm sure you've heard about Temu, but if you have not heard about them, it's simply an online marketplace that offers extremely low prices on multiple categories of products. So recently they reached out to me and asked if I would like to partner with them on a video to share some of their amazing products with you. So dear soulmates, I got all of these items that you see here from Temu, and I'm going to be unboxing them with you, and I'm going to share the prices I got them with you as well as we go along in this video. So Temu offer free shipping on all orders, free returns within 90 days, and also you can purchase one of the items that I have in this package that I have at a whopping 70% discount.
Download Temu app through my link below to get 200,000 naira coupon bundle for free, or search my code DSZ8657 in Temu search bar to claim. And for the gifts, Temu app new users can purchase one of my Temu picks for a whopping 70% off using code DSY9276.
Would you like to see the things I got from Temu? Let's get right into the video. So the first thing I have here is this beautiful cotton mat. It's a beautiful cotton mat and it comes in different sizes. So I'm going to show you what we have here. The size I got is the A1 size and it's quite big. It has bigger sizes as well, and it also have smaller sizes. So this is the size of the one I got. It measures about 23 inches width, and then the length of this cotton mat is around 35 inches. So I'm going to show you the price. You're going to see on the screen the price I got this beautiful cotton mat. So also I'm going to be unboxing everything that I have in this package. So the first thing I have here is this beautiful fabric that I got. Okay, so this fabric, I've been looking for this fabric for a while, and I want the ones that has a particular structure, okay, because there is a style I want to make with this, and it's a structured style. So I just saw this and I said, okay, let me just try it to see what this will give me. And guys, I am not disappointed at all. This fabric is so structured, you can see, and you can see how beautiful it is. This fabric is so beautiful, guys. I have so many ideas, but I don't even know the one to go with. So I would like you to suggest any tutorial you would like to see on this beautiful damask fabric for me, and then I'm going to film a tutorial using this beautiful fabric that we have here. So another thing that I got here is this cute little box here, and inside this box I have mannequin. I have a miniature mannequin. I've been wanting to get this mannequin for a while now because it's very useful for practicing. Basically, if you're a beginner and you're just practicing and you don't want to work with so many fabrics, this is your go-to mannequin, because it comes in different sizes. Actually, the size that I have here is the half size, and it does not consume fabric. So you can see the stand here. So let me just open it so that you can see what the mannequin looks like. So this is the mannequin itself. You are going to put it here, and then you're going to put it to any size you want. Then you clamp it, and then on the upper part here you will clearly see where to screw this, and then you screw it. So I'm going to be working with this mannequin a lot, guys. You're going to see so many amazing tutorials with this mannequin. Yeah, so I got this beautiful fabric and I'm going to use it to be draping on this mannequin. You can see how lush this fabric is looking. It's like a mercury fabric. It dazzles. You just need to feel the texture of this fabric to know how beautiful it is. So I'm going to be draping this now for you all to see. So I'll drape this, and because of time I may not be able to transfer. If you'd like to see a tutorial on how you can tack it so that you can transfer it to a human being, let me know in the comment section. That I got that is useful for me is this electric cutting machine. This electric cutting machine, this machine, I have been seeing it a lot. And then, you know, if you're a tailor, you know how it is when you cut with scissors. You can see, if you zoom to my hand there, you see different knuckles on my hand. So having this machine is just going to make my life a lot easier. So I'm going to be setting this machine up, and I'm going to show you how to use the machine as well. So another thing that I got from my Temu order is this beautiful fabric prints. You know, we are in the era of fabric painting now. I've been seeing a lot of beautiful, amazing designs using this paint. So I got this acrylic paint from Temu. I also got the brushes, and then I got some stencils. If you don't know how to draw, I'm sure you understand what it means to have beautiful stencils like this. So I have a lot of these stencils. I got a lot of them to practice my fabric painting. So I'm going to be showing you how to work with this in this tutorial as well. I also got some glitters for my glitter designs, and then I got some brushes and also extra fabric. So we are going to be doing a lot of fabric painting, guys. Just recommend tutorials for me in the comment section, tutorials that you like to see on fabric painting, and then you're going to be working on them. So another thing that I got from this is this pattern master. My pattern master recently broke, so when I was ordering, I just saw this and it's beautiful. You know how useful pattern master is. So I also got this pattern master from Temu. So this is just a measuring tape, okay? But the beauty of this measuring tape is that it can go around your body, and then you can just fix it somewhere here and it just sticks, okay? You fix it on your body and it just sticks like this. So I really love the idea behind this, because you don't, let's say you want to mark, you want to measure around your sleeve now, especially if you want to do your self measurement. You just need to take it all around the sleeve like this, and then you just click it. The tape does not start from 1 inch, so it's going to take into consideration the excess that you have here. It's a really beautiful tape and I recommend it highly. You can just go ahead and get something like this for yourself as well. So another thing that I have here, I also got many retractable tapes, okay? I just love them, okay? I love it. It's just easy. Once you're done using it, you just press it and it just retracts back. So I got quite a lot of this tape rule, and I'm going to be making use of them, trust me. So another thing that I saw is this beautiful thread, okay? I've not really seen a thread like this. It's a multicolored thread. It comes in different colors and it's just on one strand. So I just got this to make decorative stitches, and I'm going to look for ways I can use this, I can make use of this to have something really beautiful. So it comes in a pack of 5, and I got one of it so that I can try it out. Once I try this out, I'm going to share with you the outcome of that. So I also got this electric magnetic pin holder, okay? If you drape a lot, you know how useful this is going to be for you. You don't want your pins to just be falling off, and or you just want them to be with you so that it can make your draping easier. So you just need to just glue this to your hand, and then it has a magnet on top like this. So the magnet is just going to stick your pins for you. So I also got this Teflon. Guys, this Teflon is very important. If you don't want to keep burning your dresses, your outfit, you just need to get them. It comes in different sizes for each of the iron you got. So I got this. I just need to put this under your iron, and it's work magic. Once you have this under your iron, your clothes will no longer burn. So it's very, very important. I recommend this Teflon cover for you. So another thing I got is this chalk. We all know how important tailor's chalks are, so I just got this. It comes in this cute box, and I always lose my tailor's chalk, so I just felt okay, because it comes in this packaging, maybe I'll be able to preserve them better. I also got these brushes. Like I said, the brushes are for the project, so we're going to be doing a lot of fabric painting on the channel. I also got this scotch tape. It's good for pattern making. It's a retractable scotch tape, so I got this as well. And then I got this bobbin for my machine, okay? You know how important bobbins are, so it's cute. It's a transparent bobbin, so I just got some of it to use for my machine. And also I have this tape rule. So all the tape rules that I got earlier are all 60 inches. So this is a double-sided, is like a double measurement tape rule. The tape rule measures 120 inches, okay? So that was why I got it. You can see it's not the regular size that we have. It measures up to, this is around 115, and this is 120 inches. So it's 20, and once you bring it out like this and then you press it, everything just goes inside like that. So this is very important and I got that as well. I also got this two-in-one rechargeable clipper for my kids. So I got other things because like I said, they sell multiple range of products. So I got these tabs for my kids, and I also got this vacuum cleaner to vacuum my rug. Okay, we know that we work with threads a lot and it's a bit challenging to tidy it up, so I got this vacuum cleaner. So those are all the things I got from Temu. Let me know the ones you would like to get, and like I said, they offer free shipping. Download Temu app through my link below to get 200,000 naira coupon bundle for free, or search my code DSZ8657 in Temu search bar to claim. And for the gifts, Temu app new users can purchase one of my Temu picks for a whopping 70% off using code DSY9276. If you like a full tutorial of all the drapings and painting we did in this video, let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.